Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to find referral code on Gotyme. Let's begin. First, open the Gotyme app on your mobile device. Make sure you are signed into the account where you want to find the referral code. Once you're signed in, you will be directed to the home page. Now, look at the top left corner, you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. After tapping the profile icon, 3 sections will appear: Info, Limits, and Settings. Tap on the Info section. Here, due to privacy reasons, some personal details may be hidden. However, on your device, everything will be visible. Now, in the Info section, scroll to find the option labeled either Refer or Refer a Friend. Once you locate this, simply tap on it. When you tap this option, your unique referral code will be displayed on the screen. You can share this code with others to earn points or benefits on the platform. This is the official and easiest method to find your referral code in the Gotyme app. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.